Ever wondered if robots are gunning for your job? Curious which professions AI might snatch away first? Well, my friends, get ready for a revelation that might just leave you astounded. In this video, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of 10 jobs that AI will take over first. Bite wealth style, we're cutting right to the chase. So, are you ready to find out? Before we dive deeper into the world of AI, there's a fascinating twist you should know. The very script you're hearing right now, every word, every sentence, was crafted by artificial intelligence. Yes, you heard that right. Even my voice, the one you're listening to, isn't that of a human. It's generated by AI too. It's a testament to the incredible capabilities of AI in content creation. So, as we explore how AI is changing the job landscape, remember that the very words you're hearing were born from the digital minds of machines. 1. Data entry clerks. Let's kick things off with a role that's already feeling the AI heat. Data entry clerks. AI algorithms can process and input data with unmatched speed and accuracy, making manual data entry increasingly obsolete. But don't despair. It's not all gloom and doom. AI's role here is to elevate your job, not eradicate it. By automating repetitive tasks, you can shift your focus to more value-added activities. 2. Retail cashiers. Next up, we have a job that's already seeing AI in action: retail cashiers. Self-checkout kiosks are becoming a common sight, and AI-powered systems are streamlining the payment process. While some human cashiers may be replaced, there will always be a need for human interaction in retail. Plus, AI can enhance the shopping experience in surprising ways. 3. Telemarketers. Have you ever received a robotic voice on the other end of the line, trying to sell you something? That's AI telemarketing in action. The days of endless cold calls from humans might be numbered as AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants take over customer outreach, offering a more efficient and personalized experience. 4. Fast food cooks. At number 4, we have fast food cooks. AI-powered robots are flipping burgers and frying fries with precision. While this might sound like a sci-fi vision, it's already happening in some restaurants. However, humans still have the edge when it comes to creativity and taste, so don't expect your favorite chef to be replaced anytime soon. 5. Truck drivers. Now, let's hit the open road. Truck drivers. Autonomous vehicles are on the horizon, and they could potentially change the logistics industry dramatically. While AI may handle long-haul highway driving, human drivers will still be needed for complex urban navigation and decision-making. 6. Manufacturing workers. In the realm of manufacturing, AI-driven robots are becoming factory staples. These machines can work tirelessly without breaks, but they're not taking over the factory floor entirely. Humans will remain essential for overseeing processes, quality control, and maintenance. 7. Bank tellers. Bank tellers, meet your digital counterpart. The automated banking kiosk. AI can process transactions, cash checks, and provide account information 24/7. However, banks still value the personal touch, especially for complex financial advice and customer service. 8. Stock traders. Financial markets are no stranger to AI's influence. High-frequency trading algorithms can execute thousands of trades in milliseconds, often more efficiently than human traders. Yet, human expertise is crucial for making sense of economic trends and making long-term investment decisions. 9. Customer support representatives. Ever had a chat with a chatbot while seeking customer support? AI-driven customer service is on the rise, but it doesn't mean the end of human representatives. AI can handle routine inquiries, leaving humans to tackle more complex issues and provide empathetic support. 10. Radiologists. Last but not least, we have radiologists. AI is making strides in medical imaging interpretation, detecting abnormalities and aiding in diagnosis. Yet human radiologists bring expertise, intuition, and a deep understanding of patient context to the table. It's a collaboration that can save lives. And there you have it, the top 10 jobs that AI is most likely to disrupt. While the rise of AI brings changes, it also opens up new opportunities and challenges us to adapt and upskill. Remember, Byte Wealth is here to guide you through this ever-evolving tech landscape. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights, updates, and explorations into the digital world. Thanks for joining us on this Byte Wealth journey, and we'll see you in the next video.